Hi friends, this is Advocate Rahul Maskar. I hope you have enjoyed this particular series, that is practical tips in litigation. Friends, we have discussed in this various things like how to analyze our clients, how to analyze other side, how to prepare for instruction, how to prepare for drafting, how to prepare for conference, how to prepare for filing, how to prepare for hearing, and how to create a network. Friends, these are some activities which are needed in a litigation. See, ultimately why we are doing all these activities. For example, analyzing our client. Analyzing our client is for the better understanding of our client so that we can file a proper litigation. Analyzing of other side. Analyzing of other side is only with the purpose to know the amount of opposition, the amount of resistance I will get from other side. Instructions taking, as we have said, it is an act in which we have to extract maximum, the smallest of the point of the case we have to extract from our client so that we are able to draft it properly. Now drafting, as we said, before drafting please prepare notes, because those notes will play an important role while drafting. As I said in that particular video, when we start drafting, actually when we close our eyes for dictation, the entire draft has to be in front of us. Preparing for proper conference is equally important, and as we have said, what is important is how many questions do we ask in a conference, from what viewpoint, from what dimensions, how do we ask it, that is very important. Subsequent to our conference, we have our filing process. To achieve the best, we should have good administrative skills for drafting, then for filing. At the same time, we need to prepare ourselves properly for the hearing of a case, whether it is our own hearing, whether we have engaged a counsel. We have to have these things properly done. And finally, networking. Networking is a thing which will increase our potentials of expanding our practice. So friends, I hope this particular series of practical tips in litigation would help you in your practice. Thank you very much for giving your time.